Immigration attorney KATJA HEDDING says watching families get separated by ICE never gets easier.
It's horrible. It's really when people try to work to get their documents that you lure them into the office to detain them.
HEDDING says this morning married couples showed up to their appointments at the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services office in Nashville. She says it's part of the process to become a U.S. citizen or resident. Today, she says ICE was waiting.
When the interview is done, when it's conducted and the officer says, well, I can approve it, they either remove the spouse and said, I need to check something, and then they'll detain the other one.
She says she saw immigration officers detain at least 3 people, 2 men and a woman. She says she's not sure why they were detained, but says some had removal orders, but it's unclear why.
I understand ICE has to do its job, but there's criminals that you can go after. But if you are actively working on a case where you're trying to obtain status, and then you trick them to come in and you're going to deport them, that's very cruel.
HEDDING says most people who show up to their immigration appointments have a false sense of security, thinking ICE is only looking for criminals.
They say, well, I'm a U.S. citizen, and I'm doing it the right way. I'm filing the paperwork. And sure, like the client today, surely they have a heart. They must have a heart. They're not going to do this. I'm married to her.
We don't know the names of the people detained today. HEDDING says her best advice for anyone going through this process is to hire an attorney. Haley.